Another thing that you can do in Flowjin is that you can create B-rolls with AI. The feature works in this way that if you click on create B-roll videos, the AI will go through your content and find some moments, and also it will find some video footages that can be added to your project, and in this way it will make the project more interesting. So all I need to do is to click on create B-roll videos here, and there are some footages added to my content already. So I can make a few things here as well. You can add animations for the appearance and the disappearance of that footage. So all you need to do is to click on that video, click on animation, and I'm going to choose the fade in and the fade out. And also I'm going to apply these settings to all the other videos as well. So let's play how the clip looks like now. There's also an option to add B-roll footages to your project manually. All you need to do is to first find the moment where you want to add the footage to, and then use our video libraries to find what you're looking for. For example, I may want to add a B-roll in this moment. So I click on the transcript and click on so that the video is played in that exact time. I want to delete this B-roll, and then I'm gonna find a video on my own. So for doing that, there is a video library in Flowjin. I click on the video in the side panel, and I'm gonna search for camera, and then change the size of the video. There we go. The video is added to your project and you have a B-roll.